YouTube? What's good, YouTube? I decided to do a little compilation video. It's gonna include 4 videos. These are fail. Yeah. I see. Now finish recording. Okay, go over there. This video is gonna include 4 air horn pranks, either a fail or a win. So we're gonna let y'all see these videos, man, and I'm gonna narrate throughout, man. Alright, y'all, so check this out, The first video we gonna get into, me and my girl, we went to work and we decided to prank the customer's kid. So we went and we pranked the customer's kid, y'all. Check this out. Here. Say hey to the camera. We got a YouTube channel. So say hey, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Say subscribe to this channel and like this channel.
Hey,
subscribe and like.
to the channel and got you. Got you. Yeah, I got you.
Got him. Hey. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, that was a cool little prank. It was a success, baby. Hey, so this next one, my cousin came to the spot. He was in the studio chilling, a couple of the homies. He came over. I had to try to get him. It was a win-fail. Check it out.
Man, tell you, that's up out here, man.
Digging it? Was it funny? At least a little bit funny? Anyway, y'all, on this video, check this out. The baby was coming into the studio. They was coming in to chill with me while I was editing. So I had to get the baby. Why don't y'all go ahead and check this video out? Slide. Y'all can see, as y'all can see, I'm over here, y'all. As y'all can see, that was a little fail. Well, not really a fail, because it was not really a reaction, but it was a reaction. So I liked it. Anyway, let's get into this next one, man. On this next video, my other cousin came over, Diesel Gang. He came over. I had to get him. We failed miserably. So check this video out, man. Slide.
A super cool design site, and that's where we're going to design our custom film.
Got that. No, I ain't even get that. I thought I got the man. This hands on squad, man. Gang, we failed at this one, man. Holla at your boy again, man. I tried to prank my cousin, man. It didn't go the way I thought it was gonna go, man. Squad, slide gang, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We gonna get better with the pranks, though. I ain't had as much time to set it up because he came through too quick. But next time, we gonna have it on point. Gang, slide. Told y'all, man. I failed, didn't I? Don't even, just drop it. Hey, I know y'all mad right now. Just go down in the comments and tell me, man. Don't get mad and go driving fast and all of that type of stuff. If y'all want to see more videos like this, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hey, subscribe to our channel. It's going to be right here. Check out this video right here. Check out this video right here. Check out this video right here and slide. Da, 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 da.